Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GH Patch FM members, subscribe, mame, and it's now on NKB. Yato Abawi, aye, and the Bia me say, ye here obit say Ibrahim Twari, na Ghana, yet me, a pejabi, because near ye, I say, quelle video to ye, but the phone number, second, but one or two people, again, two people are, I think, say Ghana, no, my back personal view. We, my oyami, personal view. Yeah, can I report? Ana kwa mediako sanko for two way amuna ometimi amaga na kwa nim omo waka ni na de kwelekwe video so setting enko ba bia yewra candidate mo wakasa. Also, do you know why the city is falling? And I say it is finance minister I have no say enya the job. It's your job because him be coordinated yenko tell na candidate kan bra
how we can reduce or our export to exceed import, and therefore we can stabilize our currency. The demand for the dollar, because our exports are exceeding imports, we always have the foreign currencies in abundance that there will be no pressure on our city. This is what we have to do as a nation. And the imports, even rice. I've been to India. You see women sitting on the floor planting rice. What are we doing? And before people are saying that you have to cut importation of rice, you have failed right there. Unless you make sure that your rice production in your country at least is at the equilibrium point where supply and demand meets. Without that, if you are not ready and you slap high tariffs on rice, you will fail. Make sure your production under normal circumstances, supply should exceed demand. Then you know that, yes, I'm ready to slap tariffs on imported rice. If not, we'll fail. So as a nation, if we want to develop, we go into mechanized farming, cross the border to Cote d'Ivoire. If you enter a plantation of, say, coconut, you drive about 5 miles. Cashew, you drive about 5 miles.
Bibia coordinated, make coordinated sabe ye kwagina park so a enye nipa ba ko na bobo ye was star player krana contribution from the midfield defense to attack omu nyina bom na ye education said the stability of the city is not the work of the finance minister. You are wrong. The trade minister so the nyamaba na sabe ye factories na produce more. Yes. No, because our trade minister so making sure say production now you're producing a better near ton ama for. That is trade between two countries. Because you're trading near more, your balance of trade, you know, very good. It means near ye 12 year be on a best in your air corner, and no amount you can near do. Near maybe Ghana, Martin and Siama who say, Sanya money jaya Ghana, ye bedi. Electricity, we buy it in what? Dollars and sell it to our people in what? Cedis. From the IPPs. Yes. Go and check. Some of these things have to be changed. As long as you are in Ghana, now we are more Ghana there, you can't accept dollars. You lie bad. It is high time we sit with the IPPs and all those people who are charging in dollars say, you need to charge in cedis. Why am I saying this? So if all those people will be selling the thing to us in cedis, people will start chasing the cedi. So the cedi what? Automatically what? Go up. This is not maybe a way of science. It can be done. Unless we are not wise. And now unless we have something to hide. Why are you working in Ghana and I'm paying you in dollars? For what? Expatriates. I don't care about your expatriates. Let me do the convention. I'll pay you in cedi. Go to your country and change it. That is what should be done. So that the cedi becomes the only bill of tender in Ghana, money-wise. I know now because the country is going forward. Now, yes, Obroni ba, Otimi charge. They say some of the properties in Ghana are being quoted in dollars. Jimmy, where is the city? Yeah, currency that we should be proud of. No, we have discarded it, and not to be sure about also to $1. Mini America, more Ghana, city na no, take it. The way we have structured our economy, it makes it difficult for people to even have a stability. Oko Porter, can't we have things in cities? A best be over 6 month period, saying you better charge per car, so that somebody can plan. Yeah, who can see the note to the dollar? No, it's aircon na yeah, we said the long side effect is that the city is what going to be weakened. Now say yo 207. You tell me the city was stronger than the dollar, and now you can say 16 cities. We were covered here. And you not 30 years ago, you turn because they've been able to what big policies. Hey, yeah, Juma. It's time we learn. Auntie Gabriel, my door. Me say unim. Abuano. Say oye free ya esuno sono. Ahumani china esuno. You read your mama be catch us on your girl there. Us spend one day cry. Obe pass it. Sam George. And I say, I'll find John Mahama. I'm so wow, any opposition unya bi. Ha, mami can be sure. The reality is that until we become your friend is saying freedom no, and as independence no, until politically, mentally, spiritually, yeah, independence no year no, we can never rule ourselves. The government or your friend say is ruled by gays and lesbians. If you don't know, I'm telling you. It's why we Ghana in our situation combat DN. That is the fact. It's not politics. Because IMF almost first kind of my what 18 point something billion within 1 year. Now borrow 3 billion. If IMF for Junior Pro Max.
How Sam George feels about this pronouncement. In opposition, I think I heard John Dramani Mahama say that Nana Akufo-Addo should go ahead and sign. I heard John Dramani Mahama also talk against LGBTQI+ in opposition. Has he changed from what he promised the people?
Ghana. Therefore, during Nana Akufo-Addo time, trumu homra, eyadia, Honorable Sam George, free the camp of NDC, Eddie Jina Nana Konso said chinchina and chain. Nana Penny once a ma, on pass bill no, na emrano and starting yejuma, na say, ye chill, ewa Ghana say sebi, uye trumu emrani ni, and yasam kitwa. Ojina na konso sa to the extent say omo organize demonstration na enu ti asamba ko kan ya me kan say ye papa Mahama ba a done deal.
President Mahama has been clear that he will sign that bill, and he has no option than to sign that bill.
And so go ahead. Kasani there's no. Me say Africa pen opposition leader biawo every solution to every problem, but when it comes to governance, as the friend. Say, me sign her bill ibium. Well, what happened? Was a books ni munya. And that's IMF so much trium hua. Yenti minjina. That is the facts. Countries like Mali, Niger, Burkina Faso, and then and they'll stand proud. Ghana, still we are what? Still under colonialism. Because of your genius, we are still under colonialism. Yanko baby ya. It's more amuye de no. Say John Mahama ko sign bill na. Come be Ghana no. But monsam. Or sign dia na ye want to say for the next 5 years no. Ye be yiri ye su come. And yes, Adia, you people should shut up. Simple as that. Onti asia, my catch you. I expose GHFM members. Subscribe, subscribe. You too now, Saka be manual. Bye bye.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.